Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is Della, and today we will be making some Alfredo shrimp chicken sausage Alfredo. So let's get started. I'll put a little bit of cilantro, a little turmeric. We're going to season our chicken. A dash of the salt. Seasoning salt. Some black pepper. And this is boneless chicken thighs cut up. And some garlic powder. And then we're just going to mix it all up. There's going to be plenty of seasonings and everything else, so you don't want to put too much in the chicken. Okay, now my cream has started thickening up, so I'm going to start adding my cheese. This is Parmesan cheese, grated. And I made that cream from scratch. Okay, we're going to let that cheese melt up in the sauce. Okay, now the sausage are done. So we're going to start taking that out. So we're just going to add our shrimps right on top of that. And put them to the side. And all our chopped vegetables. We got some red peppers and onions. See, they get pink quick. And while that is getting done, we're going to start putting our pasta in. We will be using some brown rice, quinoa pasta. Organic. Health is wealth, so we must take care of ourselves. You could use any type of pasta you choose. So we're going to start putting this pasta in. This pasta is gluten-free. It's healthy for you. So we're going to start putting this pasta in. As so. And it's a little bit of kosher salt in there. A little kosher salt. Cheese is nicely melted and creamy. So at this time, we're going to add our parsley. Put the parsley inside. There you go. And stir it nicely. Now the shrimps are done, so we're going to take them out and we're going to add a chicken in the same juice. Nice and ready. Okay, now we're going to put a little bit of Spanish paprika in there on top of the chicken. And I like a little bit of spice. So we're going to put a little bit of crushed pepper in there. Just a little bit of crushed pepper. This is optional. If you don't like spice, do not add. And you know I gotta have that cayenne pepper. Yes. So we're gonna let this cook up. And once this cook up, we're gonna drain it and add it to the pasta. And now we're gonna start putting everything in the inside of the Alfredo. It's been drained. Let's put our sausage and our shrimp. I have to cut the sausage up. Everything in our noodles. Then we gotta pour this nice, delicious sauce over it. Oh, the chicken first. Can't forget about the chicken. Don't forget about the chicken. And this nice creamy sauce goes all the way around at the top. Then I'm gonna mix it in. Let's get it in there, y'all. So delicious. Okay, I'm gonna plate it. Highly flavored right there. Nice and good. Okay, now that's a go. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And thank you so much. And that is what we call Alfredo. With chicken, shrimp, and sausage.